Document download and file export with ARCHITECHTURES. The development of architectural projects generally stands out for its collaborative nature, involving various profiles and consequently requiring the use of different tools. Once we are satisfied with the project and have completed our work within the platform, we can generate downloadable documents. The generation of these downloadable documents incurs a cost calculated based on the type of file and the above grade square meters of the project. There are three types of documents that we can generate in the platform: XLSx, DXF, and IFC. Once the document is generated, the user will be notified that the file is ready to be downloaded, and the project will automatically switch to view mode. The downloadable documents will be available in the project as long as there is no change of mode, that is, if after generating the document, it is necessary to make any changes in the project, we will need to request a new download with the corresponding square meter expense. The BIM model is an IFC file importable from any BIM editor or viewer. It is important to note that the thicknesses of the construction elements will be exactly as defined within the platform in the corresponding sections. Therefore, if we want to use the downloaded BIM model as a starting point to progress to higher levels of detail, replacing the default families with other more detailed families with layers or more information, it is important to generate the BIM model with the exact construction thicknesses of the families we are going to replace. It is also important to note that the model includes generated rooms, which are usually used as a starting point for generating measurements and budgets. In the CAD document download, a DXF file is generated for each floor of each building, for each basement floor in the project, and a general plan corresponding to the ground floor. All CAD files maintain the same layer organization, focusing mainly on the elements that make up the project. In this way, we can find a specific layer for walls, windows, doors, pillars, ducts, and projection. In addition to these layers, we also have a label layer, where we will have text with the type of space and its area. The XLSx spreadsheet contains an A4 format report ready for printing, which collects all the metrics of the project that are normally displayed in the data panel on the right. The report includes all surface tables for the entire project and for each of the buildings in it, the count of dwellings for the entire project and for each of the buildings in it, a summary of the below-ground facilities with surface calculation by use, and count of parking spaces and storage rooms. Surface tables for each of the dwellings, with their totals, repercussions of common areas, efficiency ratios, etc. Complete budget with direct construction costs, indirect costs, and ratios including the average cost per dwelling or the cost per square meter indoors, among others. And a set of plans and model in JPG extension. In all accounts, including free accounts, the demo project with its downloadable documents is included. We offer these downloadable documents for free so that users can familiarize themselves with them and assess their implementation in their work dynamics. We encourage you to continue watching the next video to learn more about our platform.